am Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Art, Commerce and Science College, Appur. Due to COVID-19, we are using this as digital platform for study as instructed. I hope you all learn well as usual. Now we turn towards today's topic on family Apocynaceae, in which we see division Angiosperm, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gammopetalae, series Bicarpellate, order Gnathinales, family Apocynaceae. Now we will see distribution of Apocynaceae family in tropical and subtropical areas of the world. About 415 genera and 4600 species. Most of plants are mesophytes and some are xerophytes. All members of this family are poisonous. Many species are used medicinally because of the presence of cardiac glycosides and various alkaloids. In this slide, we will see major genera and species of the family. Catharanthus roseus, Nerium indicum, Thievesia, Nerifolia, Alstonia scholaris, Plumeria champaca, Tabernin montana, Raululfia serpentina. Upcoming are vegetative characters of Apocynaceae family. First one, habitat. Perennial herbs, twining shrub, shrub or small tree, climbing shrub, small size tree, tuber-like stem, for example, adenium. Second one, stem. Herbaceous, green, erect, cylindrical, branch, woody, solid, succulent with milky latex. In first photograph, you can see branch stem. In second one, there is a milky latex. Third vegetative characters, leaves, simple, opposite, whorled, petiolate or subsessile, exstipulate, margin entire, unicosted, reticulate venation. In first photograph of Catharanthus, opposite phyllotaxy can be seen, and second one there is whorled phyllotaxy of Alstonia. Now we see floral characters of Apocynaceae family. First one, inflorescence, usually cymodes. In first photographs of Plumeria terminal cymes, type inflorescence can be seen, whereas Corymbos umbellate solitary cyme type of inflorescence found in second, third and fourth photograph of Cariza, Raululfia and Catharanthus respectively. Second one is flower. Flowers of Apocynaceae family are bracteate or ebracteate, bracteolate, pedicellate, complete, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, tetra or pentamerous, often with corona, hypogynous. In first photograph, we can stigma, style, ovary, thalamus and pedicellate. In second diagram, radical symmetry of flower is shown, which means if you cut the flower on radial axis, we get to symmetrical or equal part. And third diagram, hypogynous condition is shown, which means gynoecium is present at lower position. Third one is calyx. Calyx of Apocynaceae family are sepal-5, gamosepalous or polysepalous, deeply lobed, imbricate or volvate aestivation, small, often glandular at the base. In first photograph, we can see sepals, and in second and third, we can see aestivation of calyx, which is imbricate, that is separate, and volvate, that is overlapping. Fourth floral character is corolla, in which petal-5, gamopetalous, united into a tube, tubular or funnel shape, twisted or rarely ovate, contains some corona-like outgrowth at the mouth of the corolla tube. In first diagram, we can see calyx and corolla or petals. In second one, corona or hairy outgrowth shown, and in third diagram there is various arrangement of corolla, that is implicate, woven and twisted is shown. In this family of Apocynaceae, there are various types of corolla found which are funnel shaped in Alamanda species, bell shaped in Thivacea species, and tubular corolla in Vinca rosea species, etc. Fifth one is androecium or male reproductive organ, which is stamen 5, polyandrous, epipetalous alternating with petals, filament, short, free, anther, dithecous, connate to stigma, intros, basifix, dehiscing longitudinally. In first diagram, we can see longitudinal section of typical Apocynaceae family flower where corolla, epipetalous, stamens, stigma, style, and ovary shown. In second figure of stamen, anther lobes, connective, and filament are shown. Sixth one is gynoecium or female reproductive organ, which is bicarpellary syncarpus. Ovaries are free below but united, style only. Superior ovary, style short, enclosed in a tube formed by corolla. Stigma, ovary is unilocular, marginal placentation. In first figure, we can see typical gynoecium structure where stigma, style, ovary is present. In second figure, transverse section of ovary, nectary, ovariole, locules, placenta, and ovule are shown. These are the floral formula of different species of this family. For example, Vinca rosea, Taberni montana, Divaricata, Nerium indicum, Thivacea nerifolia. As we see all aspects of floral diagram in above slides, by combining all these floral formula get formulated. In this family, fruit is a drupe in Thivacea, berry in Carissa, follicle in Nerium or Amsonia, and pollination with the help of insect, that is entomophilus. Now we see the economic importance of Apocynaceae family. First one is a vegetable. The pulpy fruit of Carissa carandus are edible and also pickled. Second, medicinal. Rauwolfia serpentina, alkaloids, serpentine in root. Root are used in lowering blood pressure, sedative, stimulator for uterine contraction, and in mental disease. The juice of leaves is used for removal or apiciate of the chorea of the eyes. Anti-cancer drugs are extracted from Catharanthus roseus. Third, rubber. Many species of Honcora, Diarrhea, Uresola are the sources of rubber. Fourth, poisonous. And the seeds of Thivacea contain thivetine, a poisonous glycosides. The latex of Acantharia is used for poisoning arrows. The bark and wood of Nerium indicum provide a rat poison.